continue 10 minutes. Just another class. House, bed, bookshelf. Okay, you can find bookshelf. You can find clock, cupboard, mirror, wardrobe, and sideboard. Okay, so here age. Oh, if you're young, you're old, middle ages like teacher, in your 20s, knee high to grasshopper, no spring chicken, over the hill, ripe old age. So these are the age. Okay.
How old are you? How old are you?
Teacher N is 44. I am
Oh,
44 already. I have a daughter 14. Okay.
my
Next.
father is 44 too.
Oh, really? Listen. Your
Yes.
mother? Your mom?
No, my father.
How about your mom?
My mom is 34 years old.
Oh, your mom is younger than your dad. Okay. So
Yeah.
we have shape. Okay, slim, well built, muscular, fat, overweight, obese, stocky, stout, fit, and frail. Okay, these are the different shape of the body. Okay. Next one, we have the height. Tall, tallish, short, shortish, of medium, of average height. So these are the height. Hair, blonde, dyed, ginger, straight, curly, bald, with plaits or ponytail. Okay, how about your hair? My hair is just short. I've got a short hair.
My hair is straight.
Okay,
How about your hair?
short hair, short hair. I'm not curly, but my daughter it has a long curly hair. Now this one. General description. When I say general description, what you can say generally. Handsome, manly, beautiful, pretty,
First,
stunning,
attractive,
attractive, okay, gorgeous, good looking,
useful,
plain,
and ugly.
ugly, and hot. Okay. So prepositions of place. These are the preposition at, in, on, by.
Easy
Next,
in front, near inside.
side, under, below, below. It's between, above, across, here opposite, across. In front, it means in front of me. Near, just near. Inside my back. Outside. You understand this, Carola? Carol, you understand?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Okay. So we have here. Now, what are your hobbies, Carol? I will ask you. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading comics. My hobbies are reading comic books and swimming.
Okay. Good. What sort of hobby do you have? What sort of hobbies do you have?
So
Oh, what sort of hobby? What hobby do you have right now? What hobby do you have right now? Right now, what hobby do you have? What hobby do you have?
I have two hobbies right now.
Okay, what is that?
Is watching TV and read comic books.
Okay, you
Reading
watch
comic
TV and
books.
read comic books. Okay. What do you do for fun? Or example, you want to be happy, you want to enjoy. What do you do for fun?
I play with my friend.
Oh, you play with your friend. What play do you like? What play do you like? Do you like what? What play do you
And
like? You like to play what?
I like to play. I like to play jump rope with my friends.
Okay, jumping rope. Okay. What are you interested in? Are you interested in sport? Are you interested in music? Are you interested in learning English? Or what are you interested in?
Interested in I am interested in fashion.
You're interested in fashion. What are you into right now? Are you in sports right now? You play badminton or what?
Again,
Are you interested in sport right now? Did you play badminton? Do you go to dance club? What?
I'm not interested in sports.
Okay, you're not interested in sports.
I
You
like
don't like
sports, but a little.
a little only. You don't like much. Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
Only a little. You love sports, but only a little, teacher, not much. Okay, I understand. Very good, Carol. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so Carol, sorry, teacher Ann don't have enough time because teacher has another class. Okay, I will see you on when
Next Monday.
oh, next Monday. Oh, I will see you on next Monday. Okay? Bye, Carol. See you on
Bye,
next
teacher.
Monday. Bye bye.
Begin.